Our senses paint a vivid picture of the world around us. The intricate details we observe, from the flutter of a butterfly's wings to the bustling energy of a cityscape, all contribute to our understanding of reality. These sensory experiences are our windows to the universe, allowing us to perceive and interpret the world in which we live. We experience a reality of three spatial dimensions: length, width, and height, and one of time, flowing steadily from past to present to future. This four-dimensional continuum is the stage upon which all events occur. As we move through our daily lives, we navigate this complex interplay of space and time, often without even realizing the profound nature of our journey. This framework, known as space-time, forms the backdrop against which our lives unfold. It is the vast canvas that holds the entire universe, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. The Milky Way, with its billions of stars, is just one of countless galaxies that populate this immense expanse. Each star, each planet, each moment in time is a part of this grand tapestry. We perceive ourselves moving through space, charting our course amidst a tapestry of stars and constellations. As we gaze up at the night sky, we are reminded of our place in the cosmos. The constellations, with their timeless patterns, serve as guides, helping us navigate both physically and metaphorically. Through telescopes, we peer deeper into the universe, uncovering the mysteries that lie beyond our immediate perception. Yet, from a cosmic perspective, we are also on a journey through time, hurtling forward at the relentless pace of 1 second per second. This inexorable march of time is a constant in our lives, shaping our experiences and memories. The rotation of the earth, the ticking of a clock, all serve as reminders of this unending progression. Each second that passes is a step forward in our journey through the universe. Just as our position in space is defined by coordinates, so too is our position in time. Every moment can be pinpointed within this four-dimensional grid, giving us a precise understanding of where and when events occur. This concept of space-time coordinates allows us to map out the universe in a way that is both logical and profound. Each moment, each event, can be pinpointed within this grand cosmic map. From the birth of stars to the evolution of galaxies, every occurrence is a part of this intricate timeline. By understanding our place within this map, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things. The universe is a vast, dynamic entity, and we are an integral part of its ongoing story. But what lies beyond the familiar contours of our everyday reality? The universe is filled with mysteries that challenge our understanding. Black holes, dark matter, and the very fabric of space-time itself are subjects of intense study and speculation. As we push the boundaries of our knowledge, we uncover new questions and new wonders. The quest to understand the cosmos is a journey that never truly ends, inviting us to explore, to question, and to dream. The human mind, ever curious, has long pondered the possibility of worlds beyond our own. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, the idea of parallel realities has captivated our imaginations. Could there be other versions of ourselves out there, living lives both similar and vastly different? Could the choices we make, the paths we don't take, lead to the creation of entirely new realities? These are not merely philosophical questions. They are increasingly becoming the realm of scientific inquiry. Modern physics, particularly the theories of quantum mechanics and cosmology, offer tantalizing hints that parallel universes might not be as far-fetched as they seem. Imagine for a moment that reality is not a single solitary entity, but rather a vast and intricate tapestry. Picture the cosmos as an enormous, boundless expanse, where the fabric of existence is woven with countless threads, each representing a different universe. These threads intertwine and overlap, creating a complex and mesmerizing pattern that stretches beyond our comprehension. Each thread represents a different universe, woven together into a grand cosmic design. These universes, though separate, are connected in ways we can scarcely imagine. They form a multiverse, a collection of parallel realities that coexist, each with its own unique properties and characteristics. The loom of the cosmos weaves these threads together, creating a tapestry that is both beautiful and mysterious. These parallel worlds, existing alongside our own, might operate under slightly different laws of physics, or perhaps diverge from our reality at crucial moments in time. In one universe, gravity might be stronger, causing planets to orbit their stars more closely. In another, the speed of light could be different, altering the very nature of space and time. These variations create a rich and diverse multiverse, where each universe is a unique expression of the cosmic design. The choices we perceive as fixed and immutable might, in these alternate realities, have played out differently, leading to entirely new outcomes. Imagine a world where a single decision, a momentary choice, leads to a completely different path. In one reality, a person might choose to take a different job, leading to a new career and life experiences. In another, a seemingly insignificant decision could alter the course of history, creating a world that is unrecognizable from our own. This concept is not as outlandish as it might seem. The idea of parallel worlds and alternate realities has been a topic of fascination for scientists, philosophers, and writers for centuries. It challenges our understanding of reality and invites us to consider the infinite possibilities that exist beyond our perception. As we gaze at the stars, we are reminded of the vastness of the cosmos and the potential for countless worlds, each with its own story to tell. Some interpretations of quantum mechanics suggest that every time a quantum measurement is made, every time a possibility collapses into a definite outcome, the universe splits, creating new branches of reality. This idea, known as the many worlds interpretation, proposes that all possible outcomes of a quantum event actually occur, each in its own separate universe. These branches of reality continue to evolve and develop, creating an ever-expanding multiverse of possibilities. The implications of this theory are profound, suggesting that every decision we make, every action we take, creates new realities, each with its own unique trajectory. Within each of us resides a profound mystery, the phenomenon of consciousness. This enigma has puzzled philosophers, scientists, and spiritual seekers for centuries. What is it that makes us aware? What is the source of our thoughts, our dreams, and our sense of self? It is that intangible essence of awareness, the subjective experience of being, that allows us to perceive the world around us and ponder our place within it. This awareness is not just a passive state. It is an active engagement with the universe, a dance of perception and interpretation that shapes our reality. Some believe that consciousness is an emergent property of complex systems like the human brain. According to this view, the intricate network of neurons and synapses gives rise to the rich tapestry of our inner lives. The brain, with its billions of cells and trillions of connections, is seen as a biological machine that generates the mind. Others see it as a fundamental aspect of reality, perhaps even a spark of the divine. This perspective suggests that consciousness is not merely a byproduct of physical processes, but a primary element of the cosmos, woven into the very fabric of existence. It implies that our awareness is a reflection of a greater universal consciousness. If consciousness is indeed a fundamental force, could it be the bridge that connects us to these parallel realities? Could it be the key to understanding the mysteries of the universe, from the nature of time and space to the existence of other dimensions? This idea opens up a realm of possibilities, where the mind is not confined to the physical world, but is a gateway to infinite realms. Could our minds, unconstrained by the limitations of our physical bodies, be capable of traversing the vast expanse of the multiverse? Through meditation, dreams, and altered states of consciousness, might we access these hidden dimensions and explore the boundless potential of our inner worlds? The journey of consciousness is a journey into the unknown, a quest to uncover the deepest truths of our existence and our connection to the cosmos. Throughout history, mystics and spiritual seekers have reported experiences that defy conventional explanations. Out-of-body experiences, precognitive dreams, a sense of interconnectedness with all things. These phenomena suggest that our awareness might extend far beyond the confines of our everyday perception. Could these experiences be glimpses into the realm of the omnipresent, where consciousness transcends the boundaries of individual minds and permeates all of reality? Perhaps in these heightened states of awareness, we are able to tap into a universal consciousness, a field of pure awareness that underpins and connects all things.